Welcome to the next chapter of AI innovation. If you've been following the rise of artificial intelligence, you already know just how rapidly things are evolving. But today, we're not just talking about a new release or an upgrade. We're talking about OpenAI's latest model GP1 preview. And trust me, this is a game changer. In this video, I'm not just going to give you the usual surface-level review. I'm diving deep into everything that makes GPT-1 special, what has actually improved from the previous versions, and the key areas where it still has some catching up to do. Whether you're a business owner, a developer, a content creator, or just someone curious about AI's potential, you're going to want to watch this until the end, because the insights I'm about to share could change the way you interact with AI forever. So, what exactly is GP1 Preview? And why is everyone buzzing about it? Let's start with what sets this model apart from its predecessors. GP1 is the latest iteration of OpenAI's generative pre-trained transformers. But this isn't just some incremental update. It's a whole new ballgame. First, conversational fluidity has reached a new level. Remember how earlier AI models, even GP4, would sometimes sound a bit mechanical or awkward in their responses. GP1 smashes through that barrier. It's more natural than ever, capturing context, intent, and tone with impressive accuracy. Conversations flow smoothly, and the AI's ability to pick up on nuances, subtext, and even emotions is significantly enhanced. In short, it feels more human. But that's not all. This is something a lot of people, including myself, were waiting for. You can ask it complex, multi-layered questions or flip between topics, and it keeps up. It's more than just an AI assistant now. It's a capable collaborator, whether you're creating content, coding, or analyzing data. Now, let's talk comprehension. GP1 handles ambiguous or incomplete prompts with an ease that its predecessors struggle with. We've all had moments where we asked a question in a rush, using half-baked phrases, and the AI just didn't get it. Not with GP1. It excels at reading between the lines and giving you intelligent, relevant responses, even when you're not super clear. Think of this as AI that's capable of joining you in your messy thought process and still delivering useful, coherent answers. It's a massive productivity booster for anyone who relies on fast, flexible AI support. So what are the key strengths of GP1? Where does it really outshine everything that's come before? Let's start with multitasking. This is one of the most practical upgrades in the new model. Whether you're bouncing between different tasks, coding, writing, brainstorming, or researching, GP1 keeps up. And not only does it remember what you were talking about 20 prompts ago, it can switch back and forth between topics without getting confused. This is a huge deal if you're someone who juggles different workflows and needs AI to be as adaptable as you are. Next up, knowledge expansion. GP1's training data is broader and more diverse than ever before, giving it a much deeper well of knowledge to draw from. What does this mean for you? It means more accurate, context-aware answers on a wider range of topics. You won't feel like you're talking to an AI stuck in one specific field anymore. It's flexible across disciplines. Whether you're asking it to summarize a legal document, debug a piece of code, or generate creative content, GP1 has it covered. Another area where GP1 excels is creativity. It's not just about factual responses anymore. If you're a content creator, you know how hard it can be to maintain a creative flow. GP1 can help you brainstorm, generate ideas, and even write engaging text that feels less robotic and more tailored to your voice. But let's be real, nothing is perfect, not even GP1. So what are the weaknesses? Well, for one, factual accuracy. While GPT-1 has made strides in understanding context and generating more plausible responses, There's still a significant issue with hallucinations, those moments when the AI confidently provides a completely incorrect answer. If you're working on a project where precision is key, like research or coding, you'll still need to double-check its work. This is an area where AI still has room to grow. Another limitation? Personalization. GPT-1 is great for general tasks, but it still lacks that deep understanding of individual preferences and unique styles. If you're someone who relies on personalization, like tailoring your writing tone or solving problems in a very specific way, you might find yourself tweaking its output more than you'd like. It's powerful, yes, but it's not quite a mind reader yet. And finally, the processing time can sometimes be an issue, particularly with really complex or layered requests. Don't expect lightning speed on every task, especially when you're asking it to process huge amounts of data or to keep track of multiple layers of context. Now, here's the million-dollar question. Who stands to benefit most from GPT-1? Well, if you're a content creator, get ready for some serious improvements. You'll see faster idea generation, smoother editing, and the ability to create more engaging content with less hassle. From drafting blog posts and scripts to writing ads and emails, GPT-1 can be the sidekick you didn't know you needed. Small business owners and entrepreneurs, this is where it gets exciting for you. GPT-1 can automate tasks like drafting emails, generating marketing content, analyzing customer feedback, and even coming up with product ideas. You're not just saving time, you're streamlining your entire workflow with the help of an intelligent, adaptable assistant. Developers and software engineers, you're going to love GPT-1's improvements in handling complex code, troubleshooting bugs, and offering suggestions. It's like having an extra pair of hands in the coding process. Not to mention, its ability to explain code or help with debugging could save you countless hours. Educators and researchers, you'll also find this model incredibly helpful. From creating lesson plans to generating research summaries, GPT-1 can assist with complex academic work while making information more accessible and easier to understand. So, is GPT-1 the future of AI? In many ways, yes. It's smarter, faster, and more versatile than anything we've seen before. It has its limitations like factual accuracy and personalization, but the strengths are undeniable. Whether you're trying to save time, boost creativity, or automate tasks, GPT-1 has something for everyone. But the question is, what will you do with it? Are you ready to integrate this cutting-edge technology into your workflow? Let me know in the comments below how you plan to use GPT-1 and what excites you most about it. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more deep dives into AI and the future of tech.